Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are diving into the world of Windows keyboard shortcuts, and trust me, these are not just a random combination of keys, but these shortcuts will revolutionize the way you navigate and work on your computer. So yeah, let's jump right in and discover 13 amazing Windows keyboard shortcuts which will complete with real world scenarios to just show you how useful these can be. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So yeah, first up we have is the show desktop shortcut. So imagine you are working on a project with multiple open windows and you need to quickly access files on your desktop. So instead of minimizing each window one by one, just hit Windows key plus D, and yeah, there you go. Your desktop is right there, accessible in just an instant. Okay. All right. So now let's talk about window snapping with Windows key plus arrow keys. So picture this. You are researching online for presentation and you want to organize your browser and documents side by side. So with this shortcut, Windows key plus arrow, you can easily snap each window to either side of the screen, creating a perfectly organized workspace for you. All right. So number three, we have is open taskbar apps. Okay. So here's a scenario for you. You are in the middle of a gaming session and suddenly you need to switch to a chat app, or let's just say check an email. So yeah, instead of minimizing the game and searching for the app on your desktop, use Windows key plus any number like 123 to instantly switch to your desired app on the taskbar. Seamless multitasking at its finest, right? So number four we have is Windows switching. So let's talk about Windows switching with Alt plus Tab. So you're working on a document, but you need to quickly reference information from a web page, let's just say. So this shortcut, Alt plus Tab, lets you effortlessly switch between your active applications, hence saving you time and keeping your workflow really smooth. All right, so number five is virtual desktop. So imagine you are a freelancer juggling multiple projects. So now with Windows key plus Control plus D, you can create separate virtual desktop for each project. So this way, you keep your task organized and maintain a clear focus without the clutter of open windows. All right, so number six we have is screenshots options. So picture this, you stumble upon a hilarious meme online and you want to share it with your friends. So use print screen to capture the entire screen, or the easy way is you can now press Alt plus print screen for just the active window. Your screenshot is now ready to be shared and enjoyed by all. All right, so number seven we have is hide apps. So as you guys know, the privacy matters, right? So let's say you're working on a confidential document and a colleague approaches quickly, minimize all the windows with Windows key plus D, or discreetly close an app with Alt plus F4. It's your secret weapon for maintaining confidentiality. All right. Okay. So number eight we have is use Clipboard. So now let's talk about the Clipboard. You are researching for a school project and you come across multiple quotes and reference. So now with Windows key plus V, you can access a history of your copied items, making it a breeze to compile your sources that you just did. Okay. Okay. So number nine we have Task View. All right. So now you can use Windows key plus Tab to open Task View and get a visual overview of all your open windows. It's like having a digital whiteboard to keep everything in check for you. Alright, so number 10 is make screencasts. So calling all content creators, you are creating a tutorial for YouTube video, let's just say, and you want to capture your screen in action. Just press Windows key plus Alt plus R to start recording, showcasing your expertise, without the need for any third-party software, because this was just integrated into your Windows right for you. Alright, so number 11 is Emoji Finder. So let's add a touch of fun to your conversation. You are chatting with friends and you want to express yourself with emojis. Now just use Windows key plus dot or period, you can say, to open the emoji panel, making your messages more colorful and engaging for you. Alright, so number 12 is Open File Explorer. So file management made easy for you. You're working on a project and you need to quickly access a file. Just hit Windows key plus E to open File Explorer instantly. So no need to navigate through menus. It's just a direct route to your files for you guys. Okay. All right. So now last but not least, we have is the lock screen. Okay. So as you guys know, security is key, right? Imagine you are at work and you need to step away from your desktop real quickly. Just press Windows key plus L to quickly lock your computer, ensuring that your sensitive information stays secure. It's really a simple yet effective precaution for you. Alright, and then there you have it. These are the 13 amazing Windows keyboard shortcuts with real world scenarios to show you just how practical and time saving they can be. So yeah, I hope you like this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.